A price expectation for Pulse. Okay. I don't make forward-looking price statements, but I will tell you what's possible. When I said that Hex was designed to do a 10,000x when it was invented, it was because I just looked at what Ethereum did. Ethereum did a 10,000x, and we have superior game theory. So it was just a reasonable estimate of what was possible. Well, if Ethereum did a 14,000x, which it has so far, why can't something that's better? And so I think a 14,000x is a reasonable estimate for what could be possible for Pulse, because that's what Ethereum did. And this is a very similar thing, but better. So is that a probabilistic statement of what is the likelihood of that happening? No. Is this a timing statement as to when it might occur? Not really. I mean, I can tell you that Ethereum did its 10,000x in about 2.5 years. And its 14,000x, I guess it took maybe 6 years. So they're not forward-looking price statements, but they are statements as to what is possible. And similar statements seem to have worked out rather presciently for Hex.